Sesame Street, go green! Hello there. Did you know it is important to take care of all the beautiful nature and living things around us? That is why I, your cute and adorable friend Grover, am here to help show you different things we can do to help take care of our planet. Come on, let's get started. How should we take care of our planet first? Trash blast with Oscar? Lights out with Elmo? Or planter party with Abby? Trash blast! Trash blast! To help care for the planet, it is important to keep our neighborhoods clean. That is why we are going to blast all of the trash off into outer space. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Blast off, little trash!
What? That's not how you take care of the planet. You gotta pick up trash and sort it.
Ah, yes, of course. I knew that.
Let's suck up all the trash with my handy trash blaster. I'm feeling pretty trashy myself. I love trash. Hey, that's a good piece of trash. Got one! Yeah! I love trash. Got one!
Now that all the trash is collected, it is time to return it to its original owner. Okay, who had the can of beans?
No. We're gonna recycle it. That means getting it processed and turned into something new.
Yes, of course, I was just about to say recycle it. It is important to recycle as much trash as we can to help keep the planet healthy and clean.
First, we need to sort it into paper, compost, that means old food that can help new plants grow, or plastic and metal. Let's sort this trash. An old newspaper, paper, compost, an empty peanut butter jar, plastic and metal, compost, plastic and compost, an apple core is compost, an old piece of pretzel, where should this go? Compost, an old tomato can. The old tomato can is made of metal. Try putting it here. An empty milk jug, plastic and metal. You must love trash too. All done. You can come trash blasting with me anytime.
Way to go! Here is your Go Green Clean Streets badge.
For helping pick up and recycle trash.
Wow, you are so good at caring for our planet. How would you like to take care of our planet next? Planter party! Planter party! To help take care of our planet, it is important to have parties for all of the cute little plants. Fortunately, I am quite the little party planner. Okay, where's my disco ball?
No, Grover. It means that we're going to grow plants that help the planet and keep it beautiful and healthy.
Do not all plants help the planet?
Yes, but some plants give bugs and birds healthy places to visit and live, which helps the planet even more. Come on. Let's make some planters out of things we can find around our home. You can reuse all kinds of things to make planters. Now let's decorate it. How magical!
Okay, so now we have the party?
Now we plant some plants. Insects, like bees and butterflies, help flowers spread their pollen, and that makes more plants and flowers. Choose a seed for your planter. Wildflower seeds. Yellow pepper seed. Wildflower seed. Click on a seed. Tomato. A sunflower. Tulip. Tomato seeds. Zippity zap. Now let's choose a seed for this pot. The more you plant, the more you help the bugs and birds. Now let's choose a seed for this zippity zap. Now let's choose a seed for this pot. All done. What beautiful plants and flowers!
Way to go! Here is your Go Green planting badge.
For helping grow new plants for our garden friends.
Wow, you are so good at caring for our planet. How would you like to take care of our planet next? Lights out! Lights out! To take care of our planet, it is important to conserve energy, like making sure all the lights are out. So everyone, please bring all your lamps, night lights, flashlights out here, please.
No, Grover. It means we have to make sure things are turned off when we're not using them and only use what we need.
Oh, okay. Everyone keep your lamps inside.
Yeah, we're gonna go inside too, Grover. Help Elmo find 3 things to turn off in Elmo's living room. Lights out! Now, let's turn things off in Elmo's kitchen. Lights out! Let's make sure everything is off in Elmo's bathroom. No more drips here. All done. Now Elmo's house is not wasting energy or water.
You did it! Here is your Go Green conservation badge.
For helping turn everything off in Elmo's house.
Wow, you are so good at caring for our planet.